नेक्स्ट है अच्छा, दिस इज़ वीडियो विच आई एम गोइंग टू मेक ऑन कैसियो इंडिया कंपनी प्राइवेट लिमिटेड। जो हम कैलकुलेटर लेते हैं कैसियो ब्रांड का, डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड बाय। इनका जो ऑफिस है A41 फर्स्ट फ्लोर, मोहन कोऑपरेटिव इंडस्ट्रियल इस्टेट, मथुरा रोड, न्यू दिल्ली 110044। फ़ोन नंबर 01166999200। ईमेल आईडी इज़ casio@casio.co.in। वेबसाइट इज़ www.casio.co.in। ब्रांच ऑफिसेज अहमदाबाद, बैंगलोर, चंडीगढ़, चेन्नई, हैदराबाद, कोलकाता, मुंबई। तो इनके और भी कई सारे ब्रांचेस हैं, दैट इज़ इन अहमदाबाद, बैंगलोर, चेन्नई, कोचीन, कुट्टक, देहरादून, गाज़ियाबाद एक्सेट्रा। ऐसे बहुत सारी जगह हैं। इसमें हम वारंटी टर्म्स एंड कंडीशंस देख लेते हैं। फॉर कैसियो कैलकुलेटर और लेबल प्रिंटर और प्रिंटिंग कैलकुलेटर। Congratulations on becoming a proud owner of Casio product. On behalf of Casio Computer Company Limited, Japan, Casio India Company Private Limited, New Delhi warrants that the Casio product will be repaired free of charge by Casio Authorized Service Center Network in India according to the following terms and conditions. The original GST paid purchase invoice with serial number sticker affixed will be required to be presented to avail warranty services at any of the authorized service centers in India. This warranty will be valid for a period of 36 months from the date of the original purchase against all manufacturing defects. The purchaser will thereafter be charged for all repairs. Exception: moving parts such as printing mechanism in the Casio product will be covered under warranty for a period of 12 months. The purchaser will thereafter be charged for all repairs. This warranty will not extend to the following: damage or defect caused by transportation, water seepage, abuse, improper use or negligent care, consumables or battery etc. or any accessories. Damage or defect caused by alteration, conversion, modification, improper repair or unauthorized repair or opening of unit. नेक्स्ट है discoloration of product, fading of printed legends on the product, damage or defect caused by fire, earthquake, flood or other natural disasters. Casio authorized service centers judgment on violation of warranty conditions will demand and binding on the customer. If the Casio product is mailed to Casio authorized service center for repair, it must be carefully packed together with purchase receipt or invoice and a written report on the defective condition. Transportation charges must be prepaid. Casio India Company Private Limited or Casio Authorized Service Network will in no event be liable for any disappearance, damage or change of data in memory of Casio product at the time of repair. This warranty will be the sole and only remedy, either express or implied, for a Casio product distributed by Casio India Company Private Limited, New Delhi. This warranty will be available only through Casio Authorized Service Center Network as stated below, which is subject to revision from time to time. This warranty will apply to the original purchaser in India only.